Hey Richie, hope all is well. So, three things for you on this video. The first one, slideshow looks great. Only thing is second slide, 510 Tivoli. We're going to get that swapped out. I've got a new picture on the link that I had sent you from a few days ago. It's going to be 1550 West 21st Street. I'll send you our featured property title so you have it all in that email. I want to highlight the projects section. So if you go to the projects page now, you'll notice that it's just our standard paragraph with a couple bullet points. What I would like to do is have this page act as our portfolio page. So when you click on projects, what I would like it to see, and we can go to 510 Tivoli here as an example, what I want them to see is on this side of the screen an interactive map, kind of like a pinpoint map. We had it on the original website before we started all these modifications. And then along the right hand side, this exact bar of current projects, all our past projects going down the list, and then past commercial projects. That bar is everything. So if we could move that onto the right hand side of this project page, along with, we'd have that right here, and then interactive map with all the pinpoints of each address on the left side. Again, it was on the old website. I don't know if you guys still have that page. If you can just throw that on for the projects page, that'd be awesome. If not, no worries. Let me know what we need to do. And then besides that, the only other thing that my boss has highlighted, if you go to the Oxford Cares page, you'll notice we have About United Way and this little kind of long bar right here. If you can move that to the bottom of the page, right above to learn more, just because we don't donate to that company anymore, so we don't want to have it be on top of the screen. Besides that, everything looks pretty good. I'm sure we'll be talking later today. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me. And thank you so much for everything, Richie.